Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know.
Cecil, happy birthday. Talagang hindi ko alam na makakarating ako sa birthday mo. Sobrang saya ko. At nakasama kita sa birthday mo. Nasa iyo na lahat. Wala akong ibang wish kundi good health. At lagi tayong masasaya at para lagi pa tayong magkasama. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan ng mga barkadahan. I love you and thank you very much for everything, for our friendship. Thank you so much.
Good.
Cecil, medyo sensitive, may pagkaiyakin. Kaya nga tinatawag namin siyang misty-eyed. But nevertheless, Cecil, you are a wonderful person and sana huwag kang magbago.
Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
Kaming dalawa, alam mo yun, mga bata kami, pareho kami ng kulay, pareho kami maitim. Nagbabike kami, talagang baliwala sa amin ng init. Nagpa-play kami ni Cecil ng badminton. And then, when we graduated in high school, our bonding, our friendship becomes more stronger when we become members of the Couples for Christ.
Good. Oh, I'm feeling good.
Love you, sweetie. Now that you're 60, you stay beautiful, sexy, and amazing.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
I feel so good.
Happy birthday, Lola. We love you.
Let's dance in style, let's dance.
Naalala ko nung mga bata pa tayo, di ba magkakapit bahay tayo? So, lagi kami magkakalaro, lagi kami napapagalitan ng aming mga parents kasi nga halos ayaw na namin umuwi sa bahay.
Let us die young, or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we're never say never. Sitting in the sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the
Naalala ko nung mga high school days natin, kung saan kasama natin si Ate Roti, Austria, and then nung mga time na magkakasama tayo sa high school na sumasali tayo sa mga contest, at hanggang ngayon nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo for making this occasion for us.
forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever?
Cecil is my kababata talaga. Halos magkapit-bahay kami. Mula elementary hanggang high school. Marami kami mga pinagdaanan. Kasama kami ng mamasyal, nagsasayaw sa mga politika. Stay cool, stay beautiful, at alam naman namin perfect na ang life mo. So ano pa ang kailangan mo? Go, go, go! Sa life na lang natin at 60!
Sooner or later, they all will be gone. Why don't you stay on? Is it hard to get old without a cause? I don't want to perish like a fever.
I am so happy of what have you become. You're successful and a successful businesswoman and a good wife and mother to your children.
So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. Oh, let them come true.
It's your 60th birthday, but you still look young. There are so many nice words to describe you as a person. I honor you for sharing your blessings to many persons. I love you, dear friend. Happy birthday!
Forever young. I wanna
sa'yo, Dr. Rosel, maging masaya palalo ang iyong pamilya, wala ng mga problema, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, 60th birthday. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo, narating mo na. Bagay, nasa iyo ng lahat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, cousin. Ikaw na-achieve mo na lahat. May you have many more birthdays to come and stay healthy and we love you very much.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for everything. Nako, 60 na si Mami. Dapat bakasyon na. More in making memories. Mga apo mo.
Birthday, Mommy. Wish you good health and very, very long life.
Yun lang. I love you, love you.
Love you, Mommy.